recently I've been asked, have I ever figured out how to take a revolve and get it to stop fast, creating a facet like if you see here. And this has happened to me many times before. Here we have, an object that's it's a very simple object, about an inch tall. As you can see from the left-hand side, how it facets, it's a revolve. And also on the right-hand side, as you can see, it's not. And it's also a revolve. Now, how I was able to accomplish this was I realized in Revit, to get around this issue, what I did was, as you can see here, is I basically rounded the corners. And that gave me that more, rounded edge look. It's not perfect. I do agree it's not perfect. But it is 100 times better than your typical revolve, as you can see here. Now this is a simple object here. I can also show you here on this shower control here. I'll render this, and as you can see here, it's not perfect, but looks 100 times better than just a straight revolve with a 90 or a very sharp edge. And as you can see here, this is in twin motion. Looks 1,000 times better, by rounding the edges. And we'll see here, that you get a much cleaner look if you just round the edges, and Revit's sort of forced to make that perfect circle. Well, close as you can get to a perfect circle. All right, guys.